The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics theme for National Nutrition Month this year is to get your plate in shape. This theme helps incorporate the 2010 dietary guidelines for Americans that just recently came out, which tells consumers to incorporate fruits and vegetables into their daily diet, to watch their portion sizes, and to make physical activity part of their daily routine. Or the main idea of the new plate model is to show consumers different portions of different foods that they should have on a daily basis. So as you can see here, the food plate model breaks foods up into 5 main groups. You have your fruits, your vegetables, your protein, your grains, and your dairy products. Now when you're looking at the actual plate, you'll notice that half of your consumption should be of fruits and vegetables. You want to choose fresh, frozen, and canned vegetables on a daily basis. And you want to make sure that they're of different colors, such as red, deep green, orange, and yellow. As you move to the protein section, you'll notice that it takes up about 1/4 of the plate. And when you're choosing proteins, you want to make sure that you choose lean meats, poultry, seafood, eggs, beans, and nuts. The last portion on the actual plate is for the grains. When you're choosing grain products, you want to make sure that they're whole grain, like whole grain breads, whole grain cereals, pastas, and brown rice. And then lastly, but not least, is the dairy. Don't forget about dairy just because it's not on the plate. Dairy, as we mentioned before, is at the top right of the plate. And when you're choosing dairy products, you want to make sure that you choose low-fat or fat-free products. These products have the same amount of calcium and essential nutrients as whole milk. They're just lower in fat and calories. It's important to keep in mind that you, as the consumer, look at the nutrition label as a guide. The nutrition label is meant to show you exactly what you're eating. So if you start at the top of the nutrition label, you'll have to make sure that you check the serving size and exactly how many servings are in that particular package for the food. As you move down, you want to make sure that you check the calories. But keep in mind that if you're eating more than one portion, with the calories and everything else on the nutrition label, you'll have to do the math as far as how much you are eating. If you look to the right of the nutrition label, you'll see the percent daily values. You want to choose foods that have low percent daily values in fat, cholesterol, and sodium. And then you want to make sure that you choose foods that have high percent daily values for fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, and iron. Good nutrition should be part of your everyday lifestyle. Eating a wide variety of foods and watching your portion size is important, as well as incorporating physical activity.